Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have Urbanista Miami headphones and I'm going to show you how can you easily fix Bluetooth pairing issues. First go to your connected devices of your settings, Android settings, and scroll all the way down. Hit connection preferences and disable Bluetooth. Here you have to turn off your headphones and turn them back on with this button over here. Now check if you can connect to your headphones. If you still can't connect to your headphones, you have to do a hard reset. If the hard reset doesn't help you, you have to contact the device support. That's it, hope it helps you, goodbye.